Here is how to stick a text to a moving object in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure that your playhead is all the way at the beginning of your clip. Now select your clip and go into Fusion. Over here, hold Shift and Space and search for Tracker. We need this one. Add it here. Let's expand the view and expand the inspector. Now, with Tracker selected, point the green arrow towards our target. So let's put it here. Next thing, we can change this to best match and play. So now it will track. Now when this is done successfully, press OK and go in operation. From here we need to choose match move. Next thing is unselect everything and add text. This text needs to be connected to the tracker. So let's put, for example, DaVinci. You can choose color as you like and you can place it where you want. So let's make it a little bit smaller, something like this. And now let's review it. All the way at the beginning. Here's how to stick the text to a moving object in DaVinci Resolve. And that's how easy it is to achieve this, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.